Hey people of YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy1.
And I'm Jimmy2.
Today we got the Hot Logics out. Yes, we love these things. Do you know why we have them out?
Well, I mean, I know why we have them out. I'll tell you guys, the Super Bowl is right around the corner. My team probably not going to make it.
Probably not. But either way, if you're throwing a party or going to a party, we're going to show you some recipes that'll make it easier for you. So, with that being said, let's go over to the counter and get these recipes started.
Wait a second, are we forgetting something?
We are.
Ooh. There, that's better.
So we're going to do the easiest, most simple recipe first. And this will just be, all we're going to need here is a Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Ba-bam.
You could change that up if you guys want something tangy or whatever is your favorite.
Again, all this is optional, whether or not you want different kinds. These are the little Smokies.
The cheddar little Smokies.
So we have 2 packages. Each one of these is 13 ounces?
12 ounces, something like that?
Yeah, 13 ounces.
13.
So a little shy of 2 pounds, but we're going to do that for the recipe. So Hot Logic, throw her my way. Ba-bam.
This is the Hot Logic Mini we're going to do this recipe in.
So this is super, super simple. It's boom, cut open. Don't cut towards yourself. That's dangerous.
What's that thing to say? Don't get bloody, cut towards your buddy?
Yeah, don't get bloody, cut towards your buddy. Thanks, Alan.
Like I said, we're using 2 packages, but if you guys got a big party you're doing, you can use the bigger, the family size Hot Logic and add as many packages as you want.
Don't worry, I washed my hands, guys. It's all okay. Okay, then barbecue sauce. How much of this barbecue sauce we using?
Good and plenty.
Good and plenty. I'm just going to put some in here on the top, give it a slight mix, and then keep going. Yeah, listen to that.
That will appeal to them, what is that?
ASMR.
People.
So give it a slight little mix so I can clear some space. If I don't make a mess, which, let's be honest, it's going to happen. Can we just go whole bottle? Because I feel
Probably not the whole bottle.
That's
Right there, just mix that up. Because the Smokies are going to make a little juice on their own, so you don't want to have it watered down too much. You can see the juice.
Yeah, the juice of the package.
So it'll work out perfect. Just mix them around real good, get them coated.
Basically, we're almost done here. So we're just going to lid that up. I'm going to set that over there. Bam. Just lid this, and then we're basically just going to let this cook for a few hours. The only thing you're actually going to need for serving is just make sure you guys have some toothpicks. So once this is all done, you just leave some toothpicks by. You come over here, poke what you want. You'll be good to go. So we'll set this to the side and plug it in. All right, so on to recipe 2 and 3. This is going to be kind of a 2-banger. So we're using the Hot Logic family size. So as you see, this one's a lot bigger than the little Hot Logic Mini. So open this up. This has the big Pyrex in there. This is very big size. But since we're doing 2 different recipes, we're going to opt out of that and grab ourselves 2 individual ones. And they'll just set right in there. And we can cook. Open one, have one recipe, open the other. You're good to go.
Like I said, this one's good too if you did go out and buy wings or anything like that. You can put them in these dishes and it keeps it warm for you until you get to your party.
So I'm just going to have you move this out of the way. We'll just do one at a time and save some space because, you know, we need a clean work area. Okay, ba-bam. All right, so this recipe we're going to be doing, what would we decide to call it?
Sweet and Tangy Smokies.
Sweet and Tangy Smokies. So we haven't made this before. This is just something that my girlfriend gave me the idea to make. So apparently her mom had this recipe. So we're just going to make it because, you know, we're all about sharing. So all we're going to need, boop, 2 Smokies, just like the previous recipe because we're total big fans of these.
These aren't the cheddar ones though. These are just the regular beef Smokies.
The beef ones, yep. And then we have just some chili sauce, a bottle of that. And then we have grape jelly, bottle of that. So I'm just going to open these up and pour them in there. Do you want to use both? Or maybe 1.5? Because I don't know if we'll have enough space for everything.
We should. Just put one in there. We'll mix up the stuff and we'll pour the rest of the Smokies on it.
All right, work into it.
These are only 12-ounce packages. These are a little smaller.
Well, that's messed up. 1 ounce less. Ba-bang. Perfect.
Yeah, it just makes it easier to mix if we put this other stuff in.
Okay, and then it's full bottle of the chili sauce.
I'm glad I'm not eating those.
Oh.
12 ounces of that? Whew.
Okay, well, we're just gonna go for it. Yeah, come
you
on
can
now.
use the full bottle. You can use less. Depends how much.
We have no clue.
Chili.
We're just doing what we were instructed.
Well, that's good. Stop shaking.
Well, it's about empty anyway. Okay.
Grape jelly. Can't imagine that on my
Okay,
Smokies.
I'm gonna want to grab a spoon. You can.
Approximately 1 cup of this.
You can get scooping that. Do you want a measuring cup?
I'm gonna eyeball it.
Okay, I'm just gonna rinse
Look
off.
at
Oh.
What does that look like? A half a cup?
I think so. That looks like about a cup.
This will help cut through that chili sauce too. So there you go. It's about a cup. Now you can mix that up. It'll probably mix up easier when it's warmer, but you can get it started right now.
Here you go. You want a bigger spoon?
Nah, we're good.
Alrighty.
You can open another package of Smokies.
Alright. I hope this tastes good. Oh, by the way, this actually has an easy open. I don't know why I decided to use a knife, but, you know.
Got a knife, use it.
Probably would have been easier the other way. Boom. Hey, here you go.
More Smokies.
I hope this tastes good, because that's a lot of Smokies. Boom. Hey, as it heats, this one will definitely probably have to be mixed up for the jelly.
Yeah, the jelly, because right now it's a little gelatinous.
Yeah, gelatinous.
All right, there we go. We'll just put the lid on that. Get that ready to go in.
Hashtag lit it. Whoosh. Boom. And then I will just flop this right out of the way. Boom. Okay, on to our final recipe, which is the crowd pleaser, everybody's favorite, our favorite. So we're hoping you guys definitely like this one. This is buffalo chicken wing dip.
Buffalo chicken wing dip? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, you had to think about it, didn't you?
I did.
So we're gonna do some of the ingredients in here, and then we're gonna mix it separately in a bowl just for ease, because mixing in one of these isn't easy because it's only wheat deep.
Yeah, these are only 6 cup Pyrex.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna give you the ingredients real quick. What is this, 1 block of
That's
cream
1
cheese?
block of Philadelphia cream cheese.
1 block of cream cheese. We just sliced it up because using the Hot Logic here, putting like 1 solid block in there and mixing it might be a pain. So cut finely sliced, whatever you want to say. So
Yeah.
we'll just put that in there right now.
Just pick them off, line the bottom.
I'm not picking them, I'm scooping them. Maybe
You should
not.
have lined the bottom. So now you got them in a clump again.
It'll unclump, trust me, I'm a chef. I got a hat, so I'm qualified. Bam, okay. There's a little bit on there. Let's get mixing the rest, because we're gonna set this to the side for right now.
All right,
Bam.
that's in there. Let's mix the other ingredients now.
Okay, boom, next bowl. Okay, so what this is gonna be calling for, we have 3 cans of chunk chicken breast. Boom, just like that. Some Hidden Valley Ranch. Sweet Baby Ray buffalo wing sauce.
You can use Frank's Red Hot or, you know.
It's really up to you. We're not really big on the spice, so we don't like too much spice in most of the stuff we eat. So, and then just a block of shredded cheddar cheese, and boom, basically that's all the components. So I'm gonna start opening these cans of chicken. Here, you're gonna open some too.
Drain the water off. You don't want the water in there.
So now that we got the chicken drained, we're gonna dump it in the bowl. Bam. Thank you kindly. Bam. Okay. And then what do we got next? Let me get this out of the way. Boom.
We're going to need a half a cup of ranch.
Okay, we got some measuring stuff over there. Half a cup.
Here's our half cup, sir.
Thank you kindly. Let me open it. Oh, I think we actually have like a half cup in this.
Just about, yeah, it's about.
Yeah, I'm going with that. Boom. Half a cup of that.
Yeah.
Now it's cream cheese ranch. It's buttered ranch.
Nice. Keep that same measuring cup because you're going to need a half a cup of the ranch or the buffalo sauce. Yeah.
Boom. This, again, is very, we don't want to go overboard on it because it would be spicy.
This one's not too bad, though.
Not as bad. If we were using hot sauce and put that much in there, I would not be liking life.
Or tomorrow.
Yeah, that'd get me.
You just add your shredded cheddar, mix that up, and then you can pour it in with your cream cheese.
Boom. Cheese in. And then mix time. All right. Now we got it all mixed up. So we're gonna put this right on top of that cream cheese layer. So if you want to bring over the old cream cheese, good. I'm just gonna pour this right on top, make a nice layer. Boom. Boy, the sound effects. It smells really good. I know they don't have smell vision yet, guys, but you want to get yourself some of this. Whoa, there we go. I'm just going to make a nice smooth layer on top. So with this one, when we get cooking, again, we haven't fully done it yet, but what we can tell you just by seeing this right here is you're going to want to stir this a few times while it's cooking. So, I mean, I don't know exactly how long we'll wait, maybe like an hour or so, and then give it a good mix.
Yeah,
Just
at
to
least an hour.
shuffle it all up. Because all this is basically cooked. We just need it to heat up good and get everything mixed and all solid.
And with the hot logic says it doesn't get that hot, like what, 165?
165.
It'll keep your food good for a long time, so you can set it and just take it to the party, plug it back in, it'll be warm.
Okay, so I have this all set. Lit it. Bam. Good. And then we're going to put both of these in the family size hot logic. Bam. Now we have both of these.
These are both of the ones that are going to need to be mixed at times, so being in the same one, you can mix them both at the same time.
We'll never forget or mess it up. So got this good, closed up. We'll just throw this to the side and get them cooking.
We'll see you in an hour. All right, guys, it's been an hour. We're just going to mix this up. You can see in the bottom it's all breaking up. It's all soft, so we'll just mix this all up now. All right, these are the really sweet and tangy Smokies.
Yeah.
Giving those a quick mix. Like I said, it's only been an hour, so if you prep these a few hours before your party, you're good to go. Last one, this is that simple one. This is the Smokies with that sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Just giving them a mix. And that's it. We'll come back in a couple hours. They'll be ready to eat. See you then. Here we are. It's about 3 hours later, give or take a few minutes. And this thing's gonna look awesome. We're gonna start on this side first. Oh, look at that. They are ready. Floating in the juice. Like we said, just get a toothpick. You can poke them. Make them awesome. Your dip. Oh yeah, everything's nice and mixed together. Looks awesome. Look at that. This stuff's ready to go. Let's check that last one over there. We can get this party started. Oh, look at that. A lot of weenies. Like we said, if you got your wings or something, that'd be in another hot logic. These things are awesome. Get your toothpick. Poke one. You're ready to go. Only thing we need now, get this thing out. Pour some chips in it. We're ready to party. Well, there you have it, guys. 3 recipe ideas for you for your Super Bowl party, or any party for that matter, cooked in the Hot Logic Mini.
If you guys want to see any more different recipes, because we haven't really done this before, just drop it in the comment section. Let us know. We like to make videos and do different things. It's bonding for us. So.
Yeah, that. And we do love these things. We're not sponsored by them. We do love them. They work great for a lot of the stuff we do. You guys will dig it.
And if you guys don't have one yet, we are giving one away. You can check the link up in that corner over there. You guys head to that video, do exactly what we need you to do on there, and it could be yours. So that's really awesome.
3 easy steps. You don't have to buy anything or anything like that, but then you could possibly win this one. It's great.
Yeah, and then any of the items we use in any of our videos, you can find on our Amazon affiliate link. We'll have everything there. I mean, hats. We could put the hats on there too.
Yeah, we got other gift ideas or ideas in general on there. You might want to peruse that. For those of you who have used it, we appreciate the support.
Definitely, it's a big help.
And for those of you who haven't, please check it out. Help support our channel.
Mm-hmm.
We do need the support.
No, we don't need. Well, it's nice. We appreciate it.
We need the support.
So I think that about sums up this video. Happy New Year's to all you guys. Again, thanks for a great 2019. We appreciate you guys checking out our videos and giving us support. We definitely appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure you nicely hit the like button. If you have any comments, drop them below, and be sure to subscribe. Anything else you got to say?
No, that about covers it.
All right, and as always, do a little bit of everything.
Try something new. you.